Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your journey half wall. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. So once you remove the components from your carry case, lay them out on a clean flat surface like so, and begin unfolding the frame. Identify the top and bottom via the sticker, unfold the frame, and line up the connectors together. Place them in like so. Go ahead and place the support bar in. And you can now attach the graphic. Start in one corner of the frame and fold that silicone edge into the channel like so. Do the opposite corner diagonally. Two remaining corners. Centers of the frame, and then the remaining edges just get pressed in like so. Repeat this process for the second graphic. Place the frame in the foot like so. So your journey half wall can stand alone as is, as shown with the 2 feet here, or it can be added on to any existing journey wall with a 180-degree foot connector or the 90-degree connector. And there you have it. It's just that simple to set up your journey half wall.